Dear friends, we shall do some problems here. Some questions. Number 1, if 3 theta is an acute angle, what is acute angle? With a 90 degree, and tan 3 theta is equal to root 3. Find the value of theta. We know, so solution is solution. See, given what is given, tan 3 theta is equal to root 3. So we know what we know. From table, if you remember it, tan theta is equal to tan x is equal to 6, root 3 means x is equal to 60 degree. That is tan 60 is equal to root 3. So 3 theta is equal to root 3. Sorry, 60. Theta is equal to 20 degree. Problem is done. So the answer is a very simple question. First quadrant, the acute angle means theta is between x is 0 less than x less than 90. It is between 0 and 90. That is what is acute angle is all about. So the next problem we will do. Question is, if 2 sine 3x minus 15 degree is equal to root 3, then find the value of sine square 2x plus 10 plus tan square x plus 5. Problem is very simple. Answer. What is given? 2 sine 3x minus 15 is root 3, which gives sine 3x minus 15 is equal to root 3 by 2, equal to that is sine 3x minus 15 is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, what we know, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, what we know is sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, which gives you 60 is equal to 3x minus 15 is equal to 60. That is 3x is equal to 75 and x is equal to 25. Okay, we got x is equal to 25. That is x is equal to 25. What do you have to find out? We have to find out sine square 2x plus 10 plus tan square x tan square x plus 5. Therefore, what will get? Sine square 2x 2 into 25 plus 10 is equal to 60, right? Plus tan square 25 plus 5. That is equal to sine square 60 plus tan square 30. What is sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 the whole square plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. And simplify it. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Simplify, you get 9 plus 4 by 12. 13 by 12. Okay, I will go to the next problem. We'll do a problem. We'll do the sum. If theta is an acute angle, what's the acute angle between 0 and 90, and sin theta is cos theta. In the find the value of 2 sin square theta minus 3 cos square theta plus 1 by 2 cot square theta. What is given? Given is given sin theta will cos theta. Sin theta cos theta values are equal. You can find out this tan theta. See, it is 45 degree. See, sin theta by cos theta, divide both sides by cos theta. So look, cos theta by cos theta 1 you get that, which implies that tan theta is equal to 1. That is, use theta is equal to 45. Right? Because we know tan 45 is equal to 1. Right? Yeah. The degree we got tan 45 is equal to 1. So you put the values here. 2 sin square theta minus 3 cos square theta plus 1 by 2 cot square theta. What will get is 2 into sin square 45, 3 cos square 45, 1 by 2 cot square 45. So what is sin square 45? All of us know it is sin square 45 is equal to cos square 45. We know the values. How much it is? 2 into 1 by root 2 the whole square minus 3 into 1 by root 2 the whole square, 3 times 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 1 by 2 into 1 square. Because all of us know sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Right? Cot 45 is equal to 1, tan 45 is equal to 1. All of us know it. So you will get it as 2 into 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1, which will be 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which will give you 0 value. Value is equal to answer. So answer is 0. The answer. Next problem. Next question is, if theta is an acute angle and cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3, find the value of 2 c square theta minus 3 cos c square theta. Solution will do. Should note the problem. This is a problem that should be noted. So this is actually a plus b divided a plus b is equal to c plus d. Then what you can write by component or dividend, a plus b divided by a minus b is equal to c plus d divided by c minus d. Right? Here it's like conjugate term. This comes the plus minus term. This kind of term comes now. It's actually applied. You can easily apply this point and solve the problem. So what is given there to us? Cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta. Next time we obviously cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta equal to 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3. Now applying component or dividend, what will you get? Which you get as cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 1 plus root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3 minus 1 minus root 3. This is what we did. We applied component to dividend by component to component. Spelling, be careful about my spelling. And dividend. Dividend. So you simplify it. This sin theta get cancelled, right? This root 3 get cancelled. Open the bracket. This cos theta and this cos theta get cancelled. This 1 and what get cancelled. So what will you get here? So cos theta plus cos theta. Do one more step. Cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 2 divided by 1 plus root 3 minus 1 plus root 3. So the 100 all get cancelled. We will get it as cos and cos goes. So 2 cos theta by, that is 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta is equal to 2 divided by 2 root 3. What will you get here? Cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, you have theta is equal to 60 degree. We know tan 60 is equal to root 3. Cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. We got theta 60 degree. Then we have to find out the value. What value we have to find out? We have to write it down. What we have to find out? Write down 2 c square theta to find 2 c square theta minus 3 cos c square theta. This we have to find out. Put the values here. 2 c square 60 minus 3 cos c square 60. Now what is 660? 660 is equal to 1 by cos 60. 2 cos 660 is equal to 1 by sin 60. 2 by root 3. Okay, plug in that values then. You know all these things. 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 by root 3 the whole square. That you get as 8 minus root 3 and root 3 get cancel minus 4 is equal to, you got the value 4. The answer is 4. Right? Listen, the question is, if cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2, so sin a minus b, 0 less than a plus b less than 90 degrees, that is a plus b is an acute angle, a is greater than b, find the value of a and b. So what is given? Cos a solution, what is given? Cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2. We know cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 60. Again, a minus b is equal to sin a minus b is equal to 1 by 2. A minus b, okay. So, what is sin 30? We know sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So, therefore, a minus b should be equal to 30. And a plus b is, we got as 60. Add them up. 1 and 2, this 1, this 2. What will you get? Tell me what will you get? 2a is equal to 90 degree. 2a is equal to 90 degree. So A is equal to 45 degree. And B will be, of course, B is equal to 15 degree. This is the answer. Hope you got it.